Welcome to today's tutorial, and we are going to be looking at how to know if the differential equation is exact. If you want to know if the differential equation is exact, then you must know the expression for a given differential equation. Understand that the differential equation is of this form: the z is equal to p dx plus q dy. So this is how a differential equation is formed. The differential of p with respect to y, if is equal to the differential of q with respect to x, then it is exact. So which means that when you differentiate p with respect to y and you differentiate q with respect to x and they give you the same thing, the equation is exact. But the question is, how do you know your p and how do you know your q? That's the question. How do you know your p and how do I know my q? So as you can see from the expression, now you can see that p is with what? With respect to the x, and q is what? Is to the y. So let's pick a question. If we have dx is equal to 4x raised to the power of 3 y raised to the power of 3 dx plus 3x raised to the power of 4 y raised to the power of 2 dy. So this is a differential equation. So for you to get your p, you should know that this one is your p and this is your q. Why? Because this is just like p dx q dy, just like the original equation. So I will say that p is equals to 4x raised to the power of 3 y raised to the power of 3, and q is equals to 3x raised to the power of 4 y raised to the power of 2. So I'm differentiating p with respect to y. So what will I have? I'm going to have 4 into 3 x raised to the power of 3 y raised to the power of 2, and q into, with respect to x, 3 raised to the power of 4 x raised to the power of 3 y raised to the power of 2. So which is what? 12 x raised to the power of 3 y raised to the power of 2, and this one will give me 12 x raised to the power of 3 y raised to the power of 2. So as you can see that the p dy is equal to the q dx. So therefore the equation is exact. Okay. If you have another one, the z is equal to 4x raised to the power of 3y plus 2x y raised to the power of 3 dx plus x raised to the power of 4 plus 3 x raised to the power of 2 y raised to the power of 2 dy. Now as you can see that the whole of this thing is with dx, and the whole of this form also is also with dy. So which means that my p is equal to 4x raised to the power of 3y plus 2x raised to the power of y raised to the power of 3, then and my q is equal to x raised to the power of 4 plus 3x squared y raised to the power of 2. So which means I'm going to differentiate p with respect to y. So what am I going to have? For here, if you differentiate p with respect to y, is going to give you 4 multiplied by 1 x raised to the power of 3, then y raised to the power of 0, plus with respect to y is going to give you 2 into 3 x raised to the power of 2. Then for the q over dx, you are going to have 3, that's 4 x raised to the power of 3, then plus 3 into 2 x raised to the power of 2. So dp dy will be equal to, that is 4x raised to the power of 3, and y raised to the power of 0 will give you 1 plus 6 x raised to the power of 2. Then for your, so you have the q dx, which will give you 4 x raised to the power of 3 plus 6 x raised to the power of y squared. So this is, then you discover that dp dy is equals to dq dx. So therefore the equation is exact. So thank you very much for watching.